Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Scorpio placement. So this is your love and money reading for the month of October. Okay, so syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Okay, and kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po kayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay, search nyo lang po. Fias Tarot. Okay. So, let's start. Unahin natin sa inyong kaperahan. Kung ano bang meron. Okay? So, kaperahan ng mga Scorpio. Okay. Meetings. Nakita ko dito ng mga agreements. Okay, sale. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano bang meron pagdating dyan sa meetings na iyan. Oo, para sa inyong mga Scorpio. Okay. Be ready. Meetings. Some of you, merong magkakaroon ng meeting regarding sa sales. Okay, so yeah, be ready. Nakita ko ng audit dito. Oo, sa mga nananarbaho. Sa mga nagtatrabaho dyan. Okay, ano tong meetings? Yeah, the Page of Swords in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng evaluation to. Okay, na mangyayari by October. The Knight of Swords in reverse. So much better talagang gawin ang mga dapat gawin. Oo, alisin ang petics. No? Oo. Alisin yung, ay, tsaka na to. Ay, mamaya na to. Pwedeng, ini-evaluate yung, like, yung inyong tawag doon. Yung gawa nyo, no? Okay, so, ano tong sale? Performance. Okay, tinitingnan yung performance ninyo, Scorpio. Sale. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so nakakita ko rito na pwedeng may mga hindi tumupad. Okay, ito as simple as may magmamine pero hindi kukunin. Okay, so be careful. Like that. Ano pa? Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Some of you, andyan yung sobrang busy. Okay, sobrang busy. So, pwedeng hindi lahat is naililista. Parang mayroon ako nakikita ritong kailangang ilista. Okay, some of you, kailangan yung itago lahat ng resibo. Okay, para kung mag-check ka, nandyan lahat. Okay, I don't know. That's channeled. Okay, so wala naman masyadong ganap. Oo, yung iba sa inyo. Arguments with a coworker. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yun lang. Tingnan pa natin. Ano bang meron pagdating sa kaperahan nyo, Scorpio? The World. Okay. Some of you merong matatapos na bayarin by October. Yeah, the King of Swords. Bayarin, bills, mga ganyan. I don't know, loans. Okay? So, there. Next is inyong love life. Okay. So, ano bang meron for you, Scorpio, pagdating sa iyong love life sa parating na October? Okay. Pasensya na po medyo wala na akong boses. Oo. Ubus na. Okay. Tingnan natin. Scorpio. Okay. The Three of Swords in reverse. The Six of Wands. Oh, nakakita ako dito ng parang ang tawag doon. Nalimutan ko yung term. Galing sa breakup pero gaganda ang tawag doon. I can't. Oo, may magiging blooming. Oo, makakuha ng attention. The Page of Pentacles in reverse. Ano tong Three of Swords in reverse? The Four of Wands. Meron ditong parang makikipag-ayos. By October, Scorpio. Ano tong Six of Wands? The Ten of Wands. Okay. So, meron ditong person na parang ayaw ka na mapupunta sa iba. Ayaw niya yun. So, I think gagawa ito at gagawa ng paraan para maging okay kayo. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. Communication. Yeah. May maglo-lower ng kanilang guard. Like, okay, ako nang sasalo. Oo. Kung kasalanan ko, sige, kasalanan ko. May mga ganun. Oo, Scorpio. Okay? So, some of you may mga stalker. Pagdating ng October, may mga gusto makipag-usap pero I think hindi sila makikipag-usap dahil some of them mahirap ang sitwasyon. Okay, mahirap ang pag-reach out. Yes. Okay. Pwedeng fire sign, pwedeng air sign. May konting earth. Oh. Meron ditong person na talagang, eto gagawa talaga ng kahit anong paraan. Magkaroon lang ng pagbabalikan sa inyo. Okay? Ang sakit ng aking sugat. Aray. Okay. So, yeah. The King of Wands. Gusto ka pa rin ng person mo from the past. Kaso nga lang, some of them, no, unlike this one, may ego yung iba. Pwedeng Libra, pwedeng Sagittarius. Okay, pero gusto ka pa rin. Some of you, pareho kayong pataasan ng pride. Okay, pero you still want each other. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na. Sa all signs. Okay. All signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay, pasensya na po sa ingay. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Aries, they are thinking of you. They want a commitment with you. Okay. Taurus, they want you. Okay. They love you. They still have emotions. Ayan. Gemini, they want a reconnection. They want a repeat cycle. Some of them, pwedeng they're like regretting sa mga nangyaring repetitive. Mga ganyan. Cancer, okay. Some of them, kung karelasyon mo to, masaya sila. Okay, pero kung hindi mo to karelasyon ngayon, some of you, pwedeng Cancer yan ang maging person mo na forever na. Okay? Pwedeng hindi mo pa to nakikita. Yeah. Leo. Okay. Meron ditong like dropping. Okay. Meron ditong, pwedeng magkakaroon ng some of you arguments with the Leo. Okay. Virgo. Okay. They're like stalking you. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo. Libra. Okay. They're like holding back, wanting na talagang makipag-ayos, humingi ng sorry or forgiveness nga or another chance, but yeah, they're like holding back. Okay. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo. Ba't lagi ako nawawala? Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo. Scorpio. Okay. They want commitments with you. Sagittarius, they're like manifesting you. Yes, they're manifesting you. Some of them gumagawa ng spell. Capricorn, they're like waiting. Aquarius, ina-avoid ka. May galit yung iba sa inyo. Yung iba sa kanila may galit. Pisces, okay. They want a connection with you, pero nandun yung pagiging immature niya. Okay? So, puro, ang tawag dun, puro kalokohan. Parang ganyan. Hindi mo makita yung kaseryosohan, pero gusto niya makipagrelasyon sa'yo or makipag-connect. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Scorpio. Tama ba? Scorpio placement. So, thank you! Bye!